Voila! Woyo! We different one kind, no?
Yes. If let's say it comes small. So the color of my cloth come, it brighten it contrast with the blackness of my hair.
Yes, something like that.
It can't contrast the background of the thing.
It can't do.
It can't far.
Anyway, how una day? Una welcome on top of the PADI show. As usual, your boy, your boss, baby, and a scarf. The very beautiful, the very on point, the very sexy, the very intelligent girl, nihilistic baby. Please put your hands for it. Put your hands for it. Put your hands for it. So you now will say welcome to everybody as the woman will you be for house.
Thank you so much, my
debater.
Yes. Thank you. Welcome to the show. We're very happy. Monday morning. That's what you be for this part of town. And so they be for that part of town where you did. If you say you did Nigeria and Nigeria,
yes.
And maybe today na like Wednesday, check yourself. Go to your dentist.
Maybe
there might be something wrong with your ear.
Exactly. Or your leg.
Or your leg.
Maybe don't baffle.
Yes.
You have run away from somewhere.
But if you're in the diaspora, and maybe as we be Monday, today na like we did Monday morning, and maybe today na like Monday evening. If you be that kind, just stay. Or maybe if you did like China, if it be tomorrow morning.
Oh yes. If it be like for Australia, for example, if it be last week.
If it be last week.
So anything is possible.
So any place where you dey, any part of the town where you dey, country, the world where you dey, any day where you be, na him.
So we officially say welcome. Friday. You have not come and want to go to work. I come and drag you away from the house. All of now, we send us message, you enjoy that whole particular episode of Friday. We love you. We love you.
Well, my voice have go.
You never know at the same na small. We take they come that place. You understand? So now we don't go talk am. Mayowa, wait till I take your voice and do.
I don't go even lie. This weekend.
Yes.
I groove.
I
don't go lie. I don't groove Friday. I don't groove Saturday. As a matter of fact, throughout this weekend, I slept all through, like I no come out. But you see Sunday, yesterday evening.
Jaga.
Bayale.
Makaye.
I groove from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m.
To 3 a.m.
Yes.
That means after this show, for example, now, sleep. And rain come for Lagos. Oh, Jaya.
So I'm going to be having a field day.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again. Hope so now weekend is very, very okay. The party show on there to make sure say we make the remaining part of the week make so much brain. Myself and my beautiful nihilistic Mayos, we go carry the chip that take you to the destination of this week. You understand me now? September don't they finish? Somehow.
Today na 21.
My sister, what have you done? What have you done?
What have you done?
What have you
with
done?
your life? What have you done with your life?
With your life?
What have you done? What have you done?
All right, so we'll go on break now before my was spoil morning for everybody. We are coming back now.
What have you done with your life?
What have you done with your life? What have you done?
Okay.
Very good.
Yes, very good somebody.
That is when you have an issue.
Yeah, now issue be that.
That's why you have a child.
Yeah, this will not be picking. Not be picking. This will not be picking. Not picking.
This is where you have an offspring.
Offspring, you know.
A little mini version of you.
Oh, yes, that. So, but some people please don't go get mini version of you. Some people not go get mini version of you because the you in you is
not really a good you.
It's not a good you. So please use somebody else, maybe your wife or your husband, to dilute yourself to help you bring a smaller help and make something. If not, if they leave you to bring a you, this one is a trouble.
All right, give us Yandy Yandy.
Yes, Yandy Yandy Yandy.
What?
You feel happy? You don't see my mind.
You do permanent K positive.
No, not the worry. That's time.
Oh, do re mi fa sol la.
Do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la so fa mi re do mi so re fa la ti do mi so re fa la ti. Oh yeah.
That's the K positive.
That's they call it vibrato.
What? All right, they make brain when African women, especially Nigerian women, for another part of the country in the diaspora, they make brain. They always make me feel good.
Wow.
Because they always make me feel say hope to this country, no matter what. Now this beautiful young actress, for those of now with the watch series where they call Orange is the New Black, this particular lady, her name na aduba. Now the second award which they win for inside the Emmy Awards of 2015, the second one which they win, still because she played this supporting lead role for Inside Orange is the New Black. If you watch her, she do like Imbe. Inside Prison Girl. She like Imbe. She acted it. Permit me to speak English.
Yeah.
She acted it meticulously.
You understand?
Wow. She was an icon of acting.
Meticulously.
Yeah. So now she can't talk, say, she did thank her sister, especially Chioma, for being there for her. She can't say, if not because of her family. Say she don't know where she for this, so she did dedicate everything to her family. That's, since we're related, you know, I'm Yoruba, but she's Igbo. But my uncle, now
the story don't finish. Uzo, Aduba, congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Related call. Uzo Aduba.
But you should see this movie to understand the extent of the good actress where she be. Series.
Series. Now, Orange, I always hear them. I always see this in there, the kidney. But well, I'm not a serious person, you understand, because I'm a kind of busy guy.
But we need to celebrate. I give her a round of applause. A round of applause, please. A round of applause.
Now our own. Now from house you come, we will celebrate you. You understand me now? Okay, for my own gist. Let's see the swag at it.
That is called I mean it swag.
Your own too loud.
No, not the ring.
Not the ring.
Don't worry yourself. Not the ring.
Now for my own gist now. Japan. You know say for like Japan now. Now, for inside Japan won't be like Lagos, one kind. Because for that side, say women they hustle.
My brother.
Just be like for here now, men and women are they hustle.
My brother.
For that Japan now.
Oh, sorry, before you talk your story, you know, for Lagos market, if you want to buy something, maybe you bring clothes where you buy from the diaspora.
Yes.
If you just enter some kind of place for market, they go arrange them for you real quick.
Yes.
Japan, you go stay. If you say go and bring a human being like me, give them 20 minutes.
They go bring it out.
Then go enter the market.
Hustle.
Bring you, come for you. You go shock.
Prototype. So now, for Japan now, they say because of the stress where many women they go through based on hustling, they say now, during work hours, some of those women they cry. They shed tears because of the hardship and the hustle. Oh, it's too stressful.
I can't do this thing. How?
You understand? So because now, they don't Japanese women now go fit the rent handsome men. We go come they wipe their tears away. How they work? One new service day now way that they do for that side for Japan. You could just carry phone just call that particular service line. They'll come send one very handsome guy your way.
Depend on your taste.
It depends on your taste too. If you like the one way young, if you like the one way a bad boy, if you like the one be fine boy, if you like the ones that way any type of the kind man where they work for you, the guy will just come your office, come carry handkerchief, they clean the tears for your eye. But if you never cry the cry, maybe you just go through the stress for your head, the guy will come, they come carry film, come play any film where they make person cry well. So when the woman come finally cry the cry, you come bring out the handkerchief, come clean the eyes for you.
And tell you sweet
things. We're going to sweet your mind. Say, wow. You understand? Now me be the fine guy now.
You know that me, I be tough girl.
Yes.
I know they really...
You know
I never
cry like that.
Never cry.
So now you don't call for our service now.
Yes, I don't call you.
Yes.
Green. 令中法上风上房中你好，
chẳng những nó muốn được rồi mà dính chân nhau nè.
chính phủ tổ hạ trung hi suy.
Chẳng những nó quan chỉ có vấn đề của ta.
Xin tổng hạ.
À chúng nó quan chơi vậy. Chẳng gì. Nào để con. Rồi con. Ping.
Xin tổng hạ.
Chẳng những nó muốn chơi cái vợ già. So I can't carry film now. Jangan benda, ada benda. Ku film. Cakap benda kita buat dah. Cuma cinta betul ke?
Tommy, honey, I think over. Yeah, I think over.
Jangan kuantan dah. Ajing benda bocor. Guji. Anjing dah gunda. Sajeng gunda. Sajeng gunda ya. Finish. Now the service be that now for Japan. So if it work for you, you get me now. But I say for that Japan, say now, say as women they call the line, They call the line. So the type where they work for you, now you go call. Bad boy, you fine boy, you young boy.
Slightly older men.
Yes, they get different type of spec. So if you work for most start this trade. This kind one.
But this kind one for this part of the world,
yes.
They don't go know us.
We just hide.
They will stalk you.
No, they go finish you now. One person could just go and spoil the whole thing. The next thing they go and marry you.
They go and marry you.
We can like marriage for this place. Let's get married. Don't spoil it, please.
Yeah? Now we Yoruba will go to make I give you service. Oh, they must come down control.
Auntie Joe.
Must control that control.
Oh, auntie.
Ufe
bakini je.
Already there's a father come.
They will spoil up. They will spoil up for you. Anyway, we'll go for a break. We is coming back. You want to go?
Chantunyo.
Impossible things. That to tell you one thing, nothing is impossible.
No, nothing is impossible.
Nothing is impossible.
Meanwhile, Ogbolo,
yes.
You owe me a skydiving date.
A skydiving date?
Yes, let's go skydiving. And we're not going to do it in Nigeria.
Well, for your joint winch now, I'm going to say we want to dive the whole Lagos.
Seriously, we're not doing it in Nigeria.
If we go Dubai, good one now.
Let's go skydiving.
Skydiving,
yes.
We all jump.
We're not here up now. Not be when time reach. I
never agree anything now.
Okay, wait. I go pay accommodation. You go pay tickets.
How much?
You agree?
How much be ticket now?
No worry yourself. I go pay tickets. No worry yourself.
You go pay tickets. You
yes.
You pay accommodation.
No, you go pay accommodation.
Okay, I go pay accommodation. You go pay tickets.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, so we'll talk about after the show.
End of story.
Okay. So we go shoot PADI from Dubai.
Hey! It's called International Bra.
Hey,
is silence. All right, moving on to real quick.
Yes. This is your voice, but it can't sweet like this. The voice is sweet like this.
I'm telling you, really husky.
She got husky voice. Yeah. I like have some girls sometimes. How are you?
I'm see line. I'm a husky voice in the sexy gay.
I'm a husky voice in the sexy gay.
Yeah, husky. Oh. Nah, you see this rap when we rap, so don't say we don't get work.
No.
It is in line with our gist.
Yes.
When I remember Tupac Umaru Sharuku.
That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same.
Yes.
Tupac Shakur.
Yeah, Tupac Shakur Umaru Shakur. Retired police officer don't come out talk, say, hello, Tupac is still alive. You know, say plenty people, they talk one time like that. Say the guy no die, the guy no die, the guy no die.
Yes.
Now, according to stories, listen, I go read and come out. David Myers. David, I don't know, Myers. Myers.
Yes, Myers.
Okay. David Myers. They say they critical medical condition now if he claim in life, actually. He talks, say, them pay him, in claim, say them pay him $1.5 million to help fake the death of Tupac. Tupac himself, now you want me to help fake in death. Now, Daily Mirror can come out talk, say, Maya say, as he done nearly to die, he want make the world know everything where they happen. Now, when I remember for Death Row, Death Row Records, that particular guy, for those of you who know the history of Tupac, Ice Cube, Dr. Dre, you understand, Terry and the rest of them like that. Now, for inside Death Row Records, Suge Knight.
Suge Knight. You know, if you talk that story without saying
mention Suge Knight. Because Suge Knight is like one of the major managers or something.
Big boy.
And that guy is a criminal. Now, right now, as they talk like this, he's still in prison. Where they
want to tell where you go.
Yeah, they won't try him for murder of with involved Terry or something like, or one of them.
One recent murder.
Because he was quite a violent person.
Yes.
Now, Suge Knight, they say Suge Knight played big role for inside this faking of death. He
there with Tupac inside the motor when they shoot Tupac now.
Now that's gunfire where that gunfight that we get for 2006.
Yeah.
Where we say the 25-year-old rapper Tupac follow by according to gist.
Yeah.
Now, in context, my contact say Tupac paid $50,000 for them to carry body will be like his own. Go mortuary. Another people can come out talk say, I beg you, say make una wait. Say original websites where report Maya's extraordinary story. Say then they use fake image to represent the police officer on the deathbed. Conspiracy so that they no go whether I made that they no go whether they no reveal in face or whether maybe the story not true. We not too sure.
But this Tupac,
the thing be say they come out talk say Tupac body shackle is broken wings and every time he come so I can fly. Say you never die.
Tupac. See, you say when something on the two echo. Some people say they see someone like and somewhere different talk.
Because we've been hearing a lot of things about
Tupac
still being alive. Tupac still being alive.
Two pigs. No, but Tupac matter now. Tupac, please, you know say before he died, he can't change his name to Machiavelli.
Machiavelli, yeah.
And Machiavelli now one guy with that time before now another kind of lord in his own way.
Yeah.
That one can't do things, can't like saying die. Later, can't see come out. So before Tupac said die, Tupac said can't call himself Machiavelli. You understand? So people gonna go say if that now waiting himself won't do. Waiting the original Machiavelli do.
Of which
now
you know say the die when
do.
Tupac die. Albums just they release.
Album they release now. Album they release. You understand?
Albums they release. Up to today they say they release Tupac songs.
But anyway, the whole thing I just feel say command the inside somewhere. For me personally, I feel say Tupac still their life somewhere. You just
that's your own opinion.
My own opinion, just my own opinion.
Your thoughts.
I just feel saying just this somewhere because in Wala before that time go die.
Oh, Tupac, come out.
Lazarus.
Wherever you are.
I see.
If you are alive, come out. If you are dead, stay there.
Tupac, just skibbilize. Skibbilize, man. I don't know. You just say Tupac, you can be a skibby. Skibby can just teach you how to do these things. You understand? Lazarus, comfort. Sorry, Skibby, comfort and resurrect. Finish.
We go let you know the cocoa of the story when we get concrete evidence or whatever.
Yes.
All right.
Lagos. This morning everywhere block because on top the Echo Bridge, trailers full there this morning from last night because me I experienced them last night. You understand? As they come back towards the island, if you see trailer just line up from Alaka side, they reach. That place where you go turn to enter into Apapa. If you see trailers for road, I got to turn back, go pass down to go connect one kind. Please, authorities, make sure say una do the needful to because people see the road now never reach work because the road blocked from that side. He reach near Ojota, hold up.
Yes.
So it's a very very bad hold up. Please. All these trailers where they block everywhere.
That means say third rail and self go block because people go full as alternative. See them now.
Any waka you want to do today, just know say some kind of roads block, rearrange your movement.
All right, please, I just want public announcement, please,
Yes.
because of God, I want to beg you people.
Quickly.
Please, for those of you now waiting for inside Lagos of the state, if you're a Oga and your staff have not resumed, have mercy. So there's a really bad traffic something.
Yes,
have mercy.
Please.
It's not really their fault. It's not like they're lazy people. It's the road that is really quite unfriendly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, so we finish our gist, Abi.
Yeah.
Laugh the laugh. Just to make everybody laugh upon the whole things. You understand me now? Laugh it. Right.
Our Father, 2011, Olo mi danke don't come. I will come the F as is 11. 3 cost today, our body black. I forgive us our jealousies. I will follow station and us. I will for evil. Amen. Our Father, 2011, Olo mi danke don't come. I will come the F as is 11. 3 cost today, our body black. I forgive us our jealousies. I will follow station and us. I will for evil. Amen.
This not picking.
Now picking me.
You know
this.
the example where we tell you now. This not picking.
Not even that.
That first one where you see na offspring.
Offspring, child, you know, but this one are picking.
This not picking.
Picking,
Yeah.
correct one. So, but you know, something I see pick from this thing, that picking still sharp.
He's sharp.
Even though you don't get the lyrics well,
he's
but
sharp.
it's still sharp. You still get the tune.
Yeah.
You understand? So you gotta go to so we just do everything possible to make sure say education must reach every picking hand. Very, very important. You understand me now? Because their head sharp to magnet things for inside their head.
Talking about education real quick before we enter inside Laugh the Laugh. We don't enter Laugh the Laugh.
We don't finish Laugh the Laugh now.
Okay, something before we close real quick. You need to understand, say, I always tell people, I'm never too old like that, but I get some people when I senior, I get some people they come from my back. I just need to tell you, say, no matter what you do, learn to read, educate yourself. You see, 2 of us over there, so if not for mental, intellectual strength.
Bam!
You feel it?
Yes.
I should repeat it.
Mental, intellectual strength.
There we go. If not for the capacity of the height of the intellectual balance.
Back higher.
You understand?
Yes.
If not for the authenticity and the sensitivity of the brain wave that functions in our brain to tell us that 1 is 1.
Yes.
We didn't really know how to do this thing.
Exactly.
So bottom line is read your book.
Read. Educate yourself.
Educate yourself.
Not be until you enter 4 walls of school.
Have a form of education somehow.
Yes, in your
It is
own way.
important for you. It helps your business.
Yes.
It helps your life.
Yes.
It even help your toasting skill as a guy. Understand? And then your swag skill as a girl.
Yes.
Understand? If you want to form, if you're a girl that used to form, if you're educated, it's easier.
Yes. Oh.
So that you not say, is this my kicker? Instead of
it's
khaki.
a khaki. Plex. Yeah. All right. At this point of time, I said point of time.
Yeah, it's
at this point in time, we go mass break for here to end the show for today. If you leave us, another 2 hours will follow us before we come out here. So God bless everybody from myself and my beautiful and intelligent materialistic baby.
Oh my God, don't do that. One national TV.
Twitter at Wazobia PADI. We love you. If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.